Hello and welcome to Craft Diva. Today we're going to be making mini Paw Patrol Valentine color. So the first thing you want to do is pull in your create a new document in your publisher, and then you would go to page, go to margins, and then narrow. So that'll give you more room in your design space. And then go ahead and go to insert, go to shape, go to your rectangle, and since I already have my rectangle here, it's fine, but you're going to do it 5.25 by 4 inches. And then you can copy and paste. So you should be able to get forward to a page. All right. So first thing that I am going to do is go ahead and go to Format. Let me see something. If I want to click Control and I want to click on all four of them, and I want to go to Shape, Fill, No Fill. So let's do that again. Instead of me going to Shape, Fill, each one, click on it, hit Control, click on all four of them, go to Shape Fill, go to No Fill, and there you go. Now you have all your blank four. Then go to Google, and I put in Paw Patrol Valentine PNG. I want everything to be a PNG. So I also want to search for Valentine's Day background. So I'm going to put in Valentine background and let's see what it comes up with. You can also put in wallpaper. I think wallpaper actually works better than background. So we're going to go here since we're already here. So let's see, for instance, I want to put in, let's see, and all of them don't have to have background, a Valentine's background or anything like that. So these are going to be for kids. So I might switch it up a little bit. Save this under my wallpapers. What else? We're gonna find. Uh, let's try some Valentine backgrounds. Let's see what it comes up with. Okay, so these are cute. And some of them I might do this, blue, red. I mean, not blue, red, white. And stuff like so work to this. All right, so I think this is it. We're gonna work with these. All right, one more. One more. All right, so what we're gonna do is go ahead and either same thing. If I want to do all four of them, go ahead and click on it. Right click on them, and go to the shape fill and go to picture. On my wallpapers, my computer moving today. And let's say if I want to do, let's do all of them. There you go. Easy. Saves your time. And then I want to go find my Paw Patrols. So, let's see here. I want to put Sky on it. Or either I can copy and paste it right here. And size this up. Now, why is this so big like this? It's not gonna let me crop it. Nope, it won't. Crop. I want to crop it down to ah. So this is gonna be my cover, and then now I need some Paw Patrol. Actually, yeah, this would be my front, and I need to find something for the back. Let's see, Paw Patrol. Yeah, Paw Patrol coloring pages. I need images, and you can pretty much design this how you want it. Now, I still want this to be like this, but I'm going to insert another shape in here because I want my paper to actually have, and I still have to put it back. I want my paper to, I still want the paper to show here. So let's say if I do Rocky and I put him on here. Now let me see if they have the, actually he's not a PNG. Now you don't have to put, if you can get it like that and you don't have to put a PNG, that way you pull it up. But I want to make mine a PNG. So I'm gonna just copy the image and just paste it in here. And then I want to put in there and let's see what's on pages. Hold on. Let's get past the Valentine ones. Now, if they don't have Valentine ones, so I'm gonna go ahead and find some little. Oh, do they have hearts? No, yeah, a heart. Here you go. So you can copy and paste some little hearts. And remember what I said, you click on each of them, format, on no outline, because you want to be able to color it yourself. Copy, paste it on here. See, there you go. Let's see, did they have some? So they didn't have so many Valentine ones. So you just basically gonna make your own little Valentine Paw Patrol coloring book. Um, and let's say if I want to do another page, so same with this one. For this one on the back, you can put a coloring. I've seen people put a coloring part on the back of the page, or you can put um. Let's say for instance, if I want to put this on the back, that'll be my front and my back, and you can put in wording that you want. And if I'm running out the page and I don't want to go through the hassle, you know, copy and then everything like that, you can go to insert page, duplicate page. It's going to bring you to a secondary page and delete these. And you can switch her out with another one and put some other decorations on it. Make it easier on yourself. Work smarter, not harder. If you want to change your background on one of them and leave the same, you can. If you want all of them to be blank, you can just click on it, go to shape, no fill. It'll make it white again. And you can just put the coloring on there and let them color that area. However you want to do it, perfectly fine. There's no right or wrong way to do this. So that was just a basic tutorial of how to do the coloring book. I hope you guys like it. Let me know what you come up with. And y'all have a wonderful, wonderful day. Thank you for watching.